Are your legs trying to tell you something? Because if walking feels harder, if standing feels shaky, or if stairs leave you breathless, it's not just aging, it's a warning. A silent signal that your body is losing strength, circulation, or even critical nutrients. And if you ignore it, it could lead to a dangerous fall, a loss of independence, or worse. But here's the good news, you're not powerless. Once you understand what's really causing the weakness, you can take simple steps, starting today, to regain control, stability, and strength. So let's uncover the 5 surprising reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60, and exactly what you can do to fix it before it's too late. If you're spending most of your day in a chair, you're not alone. But sitting for long periods can silently weaken your legs over time. When muscles aren't used, they begin to shrink, especially in the thighs and hips. This makes it harder to balance, walk, or even stand up without help. How can you tell? You use your hands to push up from the couch. You feel wobbly going upstairs. Or your legs tire quickly, even on short walks. What can you do? Break up sitting time with short movements. Every hour, stand up, stretch, walk around the room. Try leg lifts, heel raises, or marching in place, even for just 2 minutes. Movement is medicine, and even a little bit helps. Here's something surprising. Low vitamin D levels can directly affect muscle strength, especially in your legs. Vitamin D helps muscles contract properly and supports nerve function. When you're deficient, your legs may feel heavy, weak, or sore, and your body recovers from activity more slowly. How does this happen? Less sun exposure, age-related skin changes, or certain medications. What can help? Eat more salmon, fortified cereals, egg yolks, or mushrooms. And if needed, ask your doctor about a supplement. If your knees or hips are stiff and painful, your legs will naturally do less work. That leads to even more muscle loss and greater instability. Watch for these signs: morning stiffness, grinding or clicking sounds, or discomfort after walking. What should you do? Gentle movement is key. Try water aerobics, stretching routines, or Tai Chi. Even 10 minutes a day can reduce joint pain and restore confidence in your legs. Don't stop moving, just adjust how you move. It's not just your legs doing the work. Your core, including your back and abdominal muscles, plays a major role in keeping you steady. When those muscles weaken, your posture changes, your balance suffers, and your legs overcompensate, leading to fatigue and instability. Red flags include shuffling your feet, using walls or furniture to walk, or feeling unsure when turning quickly. How to fix it? Try seated marches, standing leg swings, or balance exercises like standing on one foot with support nearby. Strengthening your core can make your legs feel stronger too. Have you ever had a sudden leg cramp at night, or felt like your legs were shaky for no clear reason? The cause might not be muscle, it might be your electrolytes. As we age, we lose more fluids, and with them, vital minerals like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. When levels drop, it can lead to muscle spasms, cramping, weakness, or twitching. Here's what helps. Drink more water throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. Eat mineral-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, and almonds, and limit caffeine, which can make things worse. Weak legs don't mean you're just getting old. They mean your body is asking for support. And with the right steps, no matter your age, you can regain strength, balance, and independence. Move a little more each day. Fuel your muscles with protein and nutrients. Strengthen your core and stay hydrated and mineral balanced. Don't wait until things get worse. Take action today and walk stronger tomorrow. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Let us know in the comments which of these reasons surprised you the most.